I'm here today to teach you the health benefits of ginger. In my previous videos, I have taught us the financial benefits of ginger. And as a farmer, they say health is wealth. You cannot continue making money without knowing that you as a farmer also should also consume ginger for its health benefit. Have you ever asked as a farmer why the price of ginger in the market keep rising? As we speak, the price of ginger, of a bag of ginger, has moved from 750,000 Nigerian naira to about 800,000 Nigerian naira. A finger of rhizome is now costing at about 1,000 Nigerian naira. A bent rubber of ginger in the market now, in the local market, is costing at about 60,000 Nigerian naira. This should call for a question. Why is this price keep rising? That is telling you the importance of ginger, both health-wise and the one you sell and make money. So as a farmer, I beg you to please, even in your backyard, try your best to cultivate ginger, no matter how small. You will not regret doing that. Before I list out about 5 benefits, health benefits of ginger, I would like to plead with you that if you are here now on this channel, Mwankoma Phyllis, I beg you to please hit on the red button, subscribe button. And if you have done that, we also urge you to click on notification so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. Very important. And try to like our videos and comment on them. It will actually go a long way in helping us bring you more information, more educational information about root and tuber crops. So we urge you to please help us do that. Now, coming back to why we are here, the health benefit of ginger. One, to start with, ginger relieves nausea, that is vomiting. You know, some persons, when they travel, as soon as they enter the vehicle and the vehicle moves, they will start vomiting. And some women, as soon as they get pregnant, to a few days, weeks, months into their pregnancy, they keep vomiting. One woman, a lady, was telling me how she almost vomited blood as soon as she got pregnant. I'm here today to let you know that ginger is a solution to that nausea, that vomiting problem. Whether you a pregnant woman or a motion sensitive person, whenever they enter a vehicle, they start vomiting. The solution to that is for you to just get a finger or a rhizome of ginger, put it inside your mouth as you travel. Or you can even chew it before traveling. But I advise you as a person to minimize the rate of chewing ginger raw. It's always advised for you to get the health benefit of ginger, for you to juice your ginger and make it into tea, ginger tea. So if you are traveling, you are advised also actually to cut a piece of ginger and put in your mouth so that it will inhibit that nausea, that vomiting you always, that is sensitive to as soon as you enter a vehicle for traveling. Also for pregnant women, same applies to you. And as a pregnant woman, so you need to also be careful the quantity you consume. So also minimize the quantity you consume. But the end result is for you to reduce or relieve you of that morning sickness. Secondly, it helps also in health, in weight management, and it also balances metabolism. By now, we should know what we call metabolism and how to balance metabolism. Metabolism in the body is just made up of catabolism and anabolism. The ability of your body to convert the food you eat into energy. Some persons, when they eat, their digestive system is not strong enough to convert their food into energy. Their circulatory system, all the systems in the body are weak. And they don't work in harmony to convert those food to energy. So when you consume ginger, ginger has a way of adding or speeding up this metabolism. That is this conversion of your food to energy. So we advise you to either in the morning or after meal to try to consume ginger tea. If you have not seen the video, I'm going to give you a video clip on how to prepare your ginger tea at home. Very, very important, so that you don't go about either overestimating or underestimating. I will give you the right proportion of making your ginger tea at home. You have known today that ginger aids in metabolism. So make sure you consume ginger in the morning or after meal. Then also, ginger also helps the heart, cardiovascular activities. Ginger has been known to reduce high blood pressure and also for those suffering from high blood sugar, especially for diabetes type 2. Ginger consumption can actually aid to bring back your type 2 diabetes to normal. So I urge you to consume ginger daily. Ginger might be expensive, yes, in the market. That is why we advise you also, as farmers, in your backyard, cultivate your ginger. I do this. I'm telling you this out of experience so that you can always get this. But if you don't have backyard, you go to the market and purchase ginger. That is why we have farmers, we have consumers, so that the value chain will be complete. Do not say that ginger is expensive and you lose the health benefits. Fourthly, also, ginger is an antioxidant, very powerful antioxidant. You know the implication and the importance of consuming antioxidants. Most of the vitamins, the one they sell in the market, the supplements, yes, most of them, they say they serve as antioxidants. Good. And most fruits also, especially the red fruits, the colored fruits, all the fruits serve as antioxidant. But ginger is the most powerful of them all. I'm telling you this today, that ginger is the most powerful of them all in the class of antioxidants. So I urge you today to consume ginger to help you at detoxify, yes, your system. Ginger, I have told you when I was talking about the ginger storage, about the active ingredients in ginger, the fresh ginger that has gingerol, and the dry ginger that have sugar. So the gingerol in ginger is a powerful antioxidant. Also, the sugar in dry ginger is also a powerful component of antioxidant. So when you consume ginger, you are sure that you are giving yourself antioxidant. Good. Ginger also helps to improve the immune system. Daily consumption of ginger improves your immune system. Yes, some persons, at every slightest movement, anything they do, they catch cold. Any small thing they do, they catch disease. So when you consume ginger daily, you run away from all those sicknesses. You reduce the frequency or the frequent movement to the health center or to the hospital. So I today am advising you or teaching you that in your daily meal, when you cook your stew, your soup, anything you cook in your house, try your best to add a little ginger in your food. You will notice both at a short run and at the long run that your health is improving. Personally speaking to you, I can't remember the last time I went to a shop or a pharmacy to ask for cough syrup. Yes, I'm telling you this. For the past 10 years, or more than that, 15 years, I might say, I have not gone to any pharmacy asking for cough syrup. I am not here to destroy their market or anything, but it's all about our health. Health is wealth. You cannot be having cough and be able to do your farm activities, but there are home remedies you can use to reduce or minimize or even eliminate cough in your system. Ginger is one of them. So I urge you today to go for ginger tea, ginger drinks. It will really help soothe or relieve you of those sicknesses. Also, arthritis is a very big problem, especially for people above 40 years nowadays. Arthritis, you see them all the joints, the knee, the elbow, the shoulder, the knee, the heel, the ankle, always painful. Ginger is the solution. And let me tell you one thing. This is not a one-two or a quick relief. It has to do with process. It is a process. It's a life, a kind of a habit, yes. Let us call it a habit. You consume ginger as a habit. You continue henceforth inculcate ginger in your diet. That is the solution. So today, for you having those arthritis or joint pain at old age, between 40, even some persons at 35, they have started having joint pain. So inflammation, ginger relieves inflammation. And I must tell you, it's not something you do and you say you are okay. You might be after like 1 month or 2 months, you stop. You continue consuming ginger. Yes, it's not as if it must be every day, but ginger, because I thought that ginger now is very expensive in the market. So you make it a diet. Most of us don't consume rice every day or tomato every day, or even drink not water is a compositing, or even drink wine every day. But ginger now has health benefit. So there is need for you to try your best, if not every day of the week, at least 4 to 5 times in a week. And we also, if you can mix it with turmeric, you will see how effective ginger is. And if you form it as a habit in adding ginger in all the food you prepare in your house, over a period of 1 year, you will see numerous changes in your body. Ginger also improves the health of your liver, just as it does to your heart. It also does that to your liver. So we also advise you, and I must also advise that you do all those with moderation. You cannot consume 2 wraps of curry or even 4 wraps. Depends on your stomach, actually. So when consuming food like ginger, you need to do it with moderation, because excessive consumption of ginger can lead to blood thinning. Yes, it can lead to blood thinning. So when you do that, when you consume your ginger, you do it with what? Moderation. I want to believe with this listing and explanations I have made about health benefit of ginger, you will henceforth start inculcating ginger in your everyday diet for your health, because they say health is wealth. Thank you for listening. And if you are still here at this point, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and comment on them. You will be glad you did. Thank you.